Welcome to the Mqlrobot EAS channel. In this video, we'll walk through the logic structure of the Equity Drawdown Guard EA, built entirely using FXdreema, a no-code visual builder for MetaTrader 4. This expert advisor is designed with a clear mission: to limit equity drawdown through controlled position sizing and an emergency shutdown mechanism when equity loss thresholds are breached. Let's explore how this EA works. Core strategy overview. At its heart, the Equity Drawdown Guard EA uses exponential moving averages, EMAs, to detect trading signals. It enters trades when the fast EMA crosses the slow EMA, with filters for signal distance to avoid whipsaws. But what makes this EA unique is its equity protection logic. Before any trades are executed, the EA constantly monitors your account equity in real time. If the equity drawdown exceeds your predefined percentage threshold, say 5%, the EA will pause trading operations and even close existing trades to protect your capital. Key features: dynamic lot adjustment based on equity drawdown, equity percentage filter to prevent overtrading during volatile periods, EMA crossover logic with distance confirmation, emergency trade close function when loss exceeds a defined monetary value, customizable constants for lot size, drawdown limits, EMA settings, and profit close threshold. All of these are implemented without writing a single line of code, fully visualized in FXdreema. Important disclaimer: before using this EA in live markets, always take time to understand the strategy behind the logic, set the risk levels appropriate for your trading account, perform thorough backtesting with 99.9% tick data, test on demo accounts before going live. This EA is a tool, not a guarantee. You are still responsible for risk management and trading discipline. Download this EA. You can download the latest version of the Equity Drawdown Guard EA at Mqlrobot.com. If you enjoy building smart no-code trading robots like this one, subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS for more tutorials, EA reviews, and logic breakdowns. Thanks for watching and stay safe in the markets.